tools and shapers and holders. First, you may want to check out the two tool-related courses already here at I Love Silver. Both are simply lists of tools. The first is a list of tools that you can gather from household items, and the second is a list of metal clay specialty tools that are commonly found at a metal clay artist's workbench. Then, have you ever been making a creation and needed some device or tool to support your piece, or shape your piece, or in some other way help you make your piece? But when you looked around your studio, you didn't have the tool or device, or were kind of at a loss as to what to use? How capable are you to make your own gizmo or gadget or invent something that is needed? And how much do-it-yourself fun do you want to have making your own? I will tease you, showing you all the tools and tool enhancements that I present in this course, which consists of one 18-minute video. My hope is that this course inspires you to come up with your own new ways of making tools, or to further enhance your tools to greatly enhance your construction and finishing skills. And when you do invent something, please share it with the rest of us in the comment section at the end of this course. See you there.